Hello, and welcome back to our YouTube series, Sudsies Guides for Guests. We hope that you enjoy this presentation on our yacht and marine textile services and find it useful.
2. Convenient dockside service. Our valet service arrives at your convenience, offering seamless dockside pickup and delivery, so your textiles are cared for without interrupting your schedule. 3. World-class customer service. With Sudsies, you experience exceptional customer service, where every detail is handled with precision, care, and a genuine commitment to your satisfaction. Textiles on boats that are easily removable and may require dry cleaning, including cushion covers, removable covers for seating areas, typically made from marine upholstery fabric or sunbrella, curtains and drapes, window treatments in cabins, often made from marine-grade or treated fabrics, bedding and linens, sheets, pillowcases, duvet covers, and bedspreads used in the sleeping quarters. Throw and decorative pillows. Decorative pillows used on seating areas, made from various marine-friendly fabrics. Tabletop and dining linens. Tablecloths, napkins, and placemats used in the dining area, often made from stain-resistant or specialty fabrics. Rugs and floor runners. Removable marine carpets or decorative rugs placed in cabins or on deck areas. Towels and bathrobes. High-quality towels and bathrobes used in the yacht's bathrooms. Furniture slipcovers. Protective or decorative covers for furniture, easily removable for cleaning. Fabric wall panels. Soft, fabric-covered panels used for soundproofing or decor in cabins. Canopy and bimini covers. Some smaller, removable sections that are fabric-based and may require special care.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful or enjoyable, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. This gesture means a lot to us and helps us create better videos in the future. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for being part of the Sudsies community.